What's up, y'all? You already know who it is, your boy JP, here to make your install life just a little bit easier. Today we got a 1995 Pontiac Firebird, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your own single DIN radio. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: car audio tutorials, car audio equipment reviews, and anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first thing we want to do is take our panel removal tool, the nylon hard plastic, and I kind of want to come in at the top part and see if I can't kind of pop it off. This should actually be fairly easy. Now that I have that popped, I can actually leverage everything else as far as pressure is concerned and pop that off just like that. Now, only thing that's actually holding these radio in are 4 7mm bolts, so let's go ahead and take those out. Take out the antenna. So now that we have this radio out, let's go ahead and get over here to the bench and get that radio ready to get inside the dash so we can get back inside the car. Alright, so here we have the Kenwood radio and the dash kit. This is going to be fairly easy. We're just going to take the sleeve, or the cage, whatever you want to call it, off of the aftermarket radio. And we want to actually mount that sleeve inside of this. And don't worry, we'll have all the product links in the description for you guys, so you know exactly what I'm using. But after that, we want to come over here on the back side, and we want to actually lift up some of these tabs. That's going to secure this cage inside the dash kit so it doesn't move. Alright, so we have those bent on all sides, and I am actually pressing and putting some good pressure on the back of that dash, and it is not moving. So next thing you want to do is kind of push those inside locking tabs in. That way, when we slide this radio, it'll snap, it'll lock in place, and that's going to be it. Now let's go ahead and get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. Alright guys, so we got the radio in the dash kit. We already have it wired up, being ready for the reinstall. And if you're new to the channel, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over that part? Well, here at this channel, we don't go over wiring anymore, because we literally have hundreds of radio removal and install videos, and the wiring part is the exact same every single time, as long as you buy that wire harness. That wire harness's job is to convert your factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors. That way everything is literally just matching it up. But I did not forget about you guys, because not only have I just made a video of how to actually wire up a CD player, where I go over different wire colors, different connections and stuff like that, but I am also currently making an introduction to car audio masterclass for you guys. So whether you want to just get back into car audio, you want to be a big do-it-yourselfer, or you want to become an installer, those courses are going to be the best thing for you. You will be able to take those courses at jptheinstallguy.com. So let's actually get this thing pushed back in, get the dash bezel put back on, so you guys can see what it looks like at the end of the day. Alright, so that's what it looks like when we have everything put back together. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I want to take this time to give a shout out to all the Patreons. Those guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel. Really does mean a lot to me, because I like pouring into you guys, especially with my passion for car audio. So it's nice to see when people actually take the time to send a little thank you towards me for helping you guys out with some of this free information. So don't forget, the product links will be in the description. That Patreon link will be in the description. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Wishing that everybody have a blessed day. Peace.